this is Pooja and welcome to Food Without Borders. Let me begin by saying a very happy new year to you. Today we'll be making some raspberry chia jam, and chia seeds have been so popular in the entire world at the moment because it's a superfood, and I thought I should create, and I saw this on Pinterest too, a jam which is low in sugar and it tastes just like jam, but you replace the sugar with some honey and you use chia seed that gives it the gelatiny texture. So let's get started with the ingredients. So folks, in this pan I have some frozen raspberries, and you can use berries of your choice. I love raspberries better than any other berry, I don't know why, and I'm using frozen here because frozen is easily available and you don't have to pay the premium price of fresh. And the ultimate goal is to disintegrate it and turn it into a jam, so it doesn't really matter. Plus, the frozen always aids with the moisture, helps with the chia seeds to all plump up nice and well. So I'm going to turn on the flame to a medium, and I am going to wait until the raspberries somewhat disintegrate. Now you will notice that as the raspberry thaws, it turns into a mushier texture, and that is the texture that we want. We're not overheating it or doing anything like that. We are just waiting for it to melt and turn into a paste. So folks, if you notice, when you press with the back of your spatula onto these raspberries, they just smush into a mushier paste, and that is what you want. Now into this, I will add the honey. Get yourself a nice organic honey. Read the ingredients. It only has to have honey. I will leave the exact ingredients and the honey I'm using on my blog, which will be in the description box, so you can go check it out. So there you go. I think I have plenty of honey in this. Give it a stir. I am going to add the lemon juice. Now, what lemon juice really does is it is a preservative, so it helps to preserve it. All right, I think this is where I want it to be. I'm going to turn off the flame and add the chia seeds. Give it a mix. And now set it aside. Now this will be ready in 30 minutes, and then you can transfer it into a jar, and this can last for about a week in your refrigerator. I wouldn't recommend leaving it in the refrigerator for longer than that. You will have to make a fresh batch every week, but it's so worth it. Now I have a jar that I made for myself yesterday for the week. The texture, look at that, it is exactly like a jam. And you can eat it with bread, of course, and you can eat it with oatmeal. You can eat it like a pudding. It is so good. This is like a gourmet preserve. It's sour because of the raspberries. Mildly sour, not too sour. If you use strawberries, chances are it'll be very sweet. Honey makes it sweeter. You can't even taste the lemon juice because it was so little. And the chia seeds just give it that beautiful gelatiny texture that you get in a jam. So give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I try posting recipes every week, and I will see you next week. Bye.